Hi friends, in this video I am going to share some interview questions for mechanical department related to heat exchangers. So it will be very useful for you all. So before watching this video, kindly please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that all my videos it will come in your inbox. So heat exchanger is the one of the most and maximum equipments in oil and gas. The person who is working there, they come to know. So what all are the questions expected? So what is API code of heat exchanger? What is the API code of heat exchanger in inspection? What all are the types of heat exchanger? What type in heat exchanger you have worked, and you have to know the internal parts, internal drawing of the heat exchanger. And in some interview they will ask to draw the heat exchanger internal parts. And what is the hydro test procedure for shell and tube side heat exchanger? What all are the inspections we are doing in heat exchanger? What all are the methods? And uh, what is the dismantling and mantling procedure for heat exchanger? And what all are the documents to be prepared for shutdown activity for the heat exchanger? What all are the troubleshootings for heat exchangers? And why nitrogen gas we are using for a purging of heat exchanger? What is the blinding and the deblinding sequence of heat exchanger? And what all are the equipments and the materials required for heat exchanger during shutdown? So these all are the questions, expected questions in interview. So API code. What is the API code? API code of the heat exchanger is API 660. So API code for heat exchanger inspection is API 661. And what all are the internal parts we are in the heat exchanger? Uh, Shell, tube, tube sheets, baffles, rods, spacers, and channel head, nozzles. And what type of heat exchanger? What are the type of heat exchanger? We have three type here in shell and tube. Three types are there: fixed tube heat exchanger, and U tube exchanger, and floating head exchanger. And what is the and what are the types of inspections they are carried out? So visual inspection, eddy current test, and ultrasonic test, and boroscopic inspection. And what are the troubleshootings we are seeing in the heat exchanger? The fouling, corrosion, leakage, mechanical failure, distribution problems, and poor maintenance. And what are the reason for tube leak? The vibration and the resonance. And why we are using nitrogen as a purging gas? Nitrogen is a inert gas, and nitrogen is a safe gas. And nitrogen, the benefits of nitrogen is it eradicate the risk associated with the unsafe element, including oxygen, hydrocarbon, and H2S. It creates a more stable, dry, and safe environment. So this is the nitrogen reason we are using for the purging. And the inspection checks regarding why the inspection is required. So the inspection is check is most vital because to identify the potential issues like corrosion, fouling, erosion, and variation in tube wall thickness. So these all are the reason. And what all are the equipments and materials we are using in heat exchanger? So crane, forklift, hydrojetting machine, and tools and consumables. So these all are the uh, materials we are using in the here during the shutdown. And what is the blinding and deblinding procedure? So the before the operation, after the operation isolation, we have to blind all the inlet and outlet and everything. And draining is must. And after draining, purging. So already I told you why nitrogen gas we are using in purging. And these are the thing. And what is the method of a heat exchanger cleaning method, they will ask. So hydrojetting cleaning we are doing for the tube side, these things. And what is the procedures for dismantling and mantling? So the scope of work they will ask. So scope of work is very important. So thank you, friends. So these questions are expected questions for um, heat exchanger. And document review is must, and PTW is must. So take some information from PTW and documents related also. And another video I will go for another session for another session I will go. Thank you.